Chapter 11, Acids and Bases. So what are acids and bases? Acids are sour. Think of lemons or vinegar. These are citric acid and acetic acid. The definition we'll be using is the Arrhenius definition, and in it, acids donate a hydrogen ion. That is a hydrogen without its electron. So hydrochloric acid will make a hydrogen ion and a chloride ion. Hydrobromic acid makes a hydrogen ion and a bromide ion. To name an acid, we use hydro as the prefix and ic acid as the suffix. So hydrochloric acid is HCl. If an acid contains an oxygen ending, then we get endings that are ic or us. So, and it depends on the number of oxygen atoms. So here we have a sulfuric acid. But if we only have, with 4 oxygens, if we only have 3 oxygens, we have sulfurous acid. A phosphate with 4 oxygens is phosphoric acid. But if we have only 3, it'll be phosphorus acid. Nitric acid with 3, but if we only have 2, we have nitrous acid. And each time, the ending is the only thing here that is changing, along with the number of oxygens. Bases are soapy and bitter. Drain cleaners are basic. Ammonia is basic, and acids are basic because they are anti-acids. They eat up the acid. According to Arrhenius, bases are going to give up a hydroxy. So here the naming is going to be much easier. This will be lithium hydroxide, sodium hydroxide, and potassium hydroxide. Excuse my handwriting here. I'm trying to write fast. There should be an X up here somewhere. X. Okay. So let's practice naming acids and bases. So this is Ca is calcium, and that OH group is a hydroxy group, so it's hydroxide. This is calcium hydroxide. This is a sulfuric, and so it's sulfuric acid. Here we have hydroiodic acid. That's hydro, so it's an acid, and it's got iodine. Phosphoric acid here is going to be H3PO3. Phosphoric acid is PO4. So phosphorus acid is going to have one less. Barium hydroxide is going to be the symbol for barium followed by hydroxy. Barium, we know, has positive 2 charge because it's in the second column of the periodic table. So we're going to have 2 hydroxys. So our charges have to balance. Write neutral compounds only. And this is an acid. It's hydrofluoric acid. Add the ic and acid. This is an acid, a well-known acid. It has a common name, though, that's used. This is acetic acid, otherwise known as vinegar. And carbonic acid is another common name. It's an acid that you'll run into frequently.